The Pirate of the Caribbean actor recently bought a modern yacht worth $20 million, and we think he just got tired of partying on his old Black Pearl. So, what are some of the most exquisite features that Jack Sparrow added to make the yacht ultra luxurious? And what is the most unique feature that sets it apart from other famous yachts around the world? Let's find out all the details. According to reports, this super yacht had many previous owners, but its unique look came after Johnny Depp renovated it and added an expensive touch. The Drive reports that Depp had spent around $7 million renovating his ship in 2008. According to Pop Sugar, Rowling took the boat for a family vacation and fell in love with it enough to be interested in purchasing it. The yacht is named Amphitrite. Amphitrite is a Greek sea goddess, and many speculate that Depp renamed the ship as a tribute to another ex-partner, Amber Heard. Less than a year after purchasing the yacht, Rowling listed it for $19.2 million, almost $8 million less than she paid just months before. Pop Sugar also noted that the ship could have been rented for $130,000 per week instead of purchasing it outright. So, why are people around the world in love with this yacht? Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to take a peek inside Johnny Depp's $20 million yacht. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. According to Variety, the Amphitrite is a 156-foot motor yacht that features 5 bedrooms, a home cinema, a salon, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, 3 decks, and plenty of outdoor seating space. The yacht was built in 2001, but it features plenty of unique and old-fashioned decor that makes it appear like it's from a different era. Boat International reports that the yacht was designed by Tanju Kalisioglu and was inspired by the 1930s. With 28,000-liter fuel tanks powering the yacht, it can cruise at a speed of 12.5 knots. It has an estimated range of about 3,200 nautical miles. Plus, the yacht comes fitted with quantum zero-speed stabilizers for a smoother ride. The vessel's interior was advertised as having a spa, 2 swimming pools, 2 helipads, a wood-burning fireplace, and a pool table that tilted to decrease the impact of the waves. There are also bathrooms with gold taps and toilet paper dispensers, as well as a tile dance floor that transforms into a pool, one of the only 2 ships in the world to have that feature. So, are there any more features of this yacht that you don't want to miss? The answer is yes, but there is nothing for you to worry about because that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. The massive luxury yacht can comfortably accommodate more than 10 people in its bedrooms and master suite, while staff resides in the 5-cabin cruise. Right now, there's a chef, a lifeguard, 2 waiters, and 1 yacht driver available on the yacht. Some of the coolest amenities include a range of water sport equipment, including kayaks, snorkeling gear, windsurfing, and wakeboards. The people who rent the boat have claimed that they have enjoyed it very much, as they explain that you can enjoy the sea breeze on the covered aft deck with a 10-seat dining table and curved cushion banquets, so you'll get an ocean view no matter where you are sitting. There's also a home cinema, salon, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system to spend some chill-out time in. Now, the price that's paid to rent the boat is worth it. The owner of the boat, Johnny Depp, was spotted several times with his ex Amber Heard on the yacht. Depp also claimed that he initially bought this yacht because he wanted to buy an island, which he bought later, and he often visits. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about Johnny Depp's $20 million yacht? Do you think the yacht is one of the most luxurious yachts in the world? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned, and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.